Welcome back, guys. We're going to do the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This is the box for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It is different looking than the Series 9 box. For comparison, this is Ultra 2 and then this is the Series 9. So you can see there's a difference there. Let's flip the box over, open it up, and see what's inside. All right, but first I wanted to mention there's no markings on the front of it saying that it's an Apple Watch Ultra 2. You have to flip it over, and then down here, it says Apple Watch Ultra 2 49mm titanium blue alpine loop. That's the band we got with this one. So we're just gonna pull these tabs, open it up. Like always, Apple has nice packaging. All right, to start this off, when you open it up, you get the booklet of the Apple Watch Ultra 2's features and options. So when we open it up, it'll show you the 3 bands, the Alpine, the Ocean, and the Trail. Some of the functions of the buttons. How to charge it. And just different features. And then your warranty card. So under the booklet, you see your watch face. So this box is holding your watch. And then under this is gonna be your band. This is the band you chose at the Apple Store. First, we're gonna open up the watch face itself. So we're just gonna flip it over. We're gonna pull these tabs. And we're gonna open it. So inside the box, you get your watch face. And then if you can see in there, that's your charging cable. All right, let's pull the watch face out, unwrap it, and see what it looks like. And there you have it. Get our buttons and then our sensors on the back. And it's letting you know it's an Apple Watch Ultra 49mm titanium. Next is going to be your charging cable. So we'll just pull this out. And then if you notice, it's a nice braided material now. And it's USB-C. This doesn't come with a charging block, so you'll have to purchase a charging block separate if you don't have a USB-C outlet. When you're in the Apple Store and they're asking you what size band you need, you do have 3 options: small, medium, and large. And then take the time to actually try them on because they are going to fit differently. We went with a medium on this one, so let's open it up and check it out. So this band is called the Alpine Loop, and we got it in the blue with the accented gray. We're just going to open it up right here. When you open it up, it's going to show you how to put the band on and how to use the band, how to hook it in. Inside the box is going to be the band. So we're just going to slide that out. And that's your band. And then to get the band out, we just pull it out of here. And that's it. All right, so we're going to grab the band and we're going to slide this piece into the bottom. It's at a little bit of an angle. You're going to hear a click like that. So the bottom's installed. We're going to take the other end of the band and we're going to slide it into the opening up here until we hear a click. And that's it. The band's installed. That's what it looks like. Let's get the watch paired to the phone, but first we need to turn it on. And to do that, we have to push this button here, hold it, and then it turns on. Now that we've turned on the watch, the phone recognizes that there's a watch nearby. And this cool little detail here that it matches the Alpine Loop blue band that I have on the watch on the screen here. So we're going to hit continue. I'm going to set this up for myself. And now we're going to hold this little screen over this fuzz right here. So now it's being paired, restore from backup, or set up as a new Apple Watch. This is totally up to you. I'm going to set it up as a new Apple Watch. I wear this on my left hand. once it's connected, it's gonna pop up the terms and conditions. We're gonna agree to that. And at this point, it's gonna ask if you wanna put in a passcode for your watch. I do not, so do not add passcode. And then it's gonna confirm that. And now it's gonna ask about bold text size. So you can, if you see the watch now, we can adjust what the text looks like, right? So wherever you want it, then hit continue. So this screen pops up now. It says share settings. Read that over. Once you do, hit OK. So the next screen is going to be personalized fitness and health. You're going to put your birthday, weight, age, all that in there so it tracks correctly in the health app. Next screen is get notifications about your health. For this one, this is going to be the noise. So if the noise level is too loud, it alerts you. So we'll just leave that on. Continue. Safety. Apple Watch can help in safety emergencies. Look that over. We're just going to hit continue. So the next screen, cellular setup. Since you have an Apple Watch Ultra, you have the option to connect this to your data plan of your phone. That's totally up to you. You do not have to do that. I am not going to do that at this time, so I'm going to hit not now. All right, so the next screen is the new double tap feature where you're going to tap your fingers and clench your fists to go through different things on your watch face. That wasn't available yet on our Series 9, but it looks like it's available now on this Ultra 2. So the next screen is going to be action button. Action button's the orange button on the side of the watch, and it's going to ask you what you want the button to do. Workout, you want to make it a stopwatch, waypoint, backtrack, dive, or turn on and off your flashlight. I'll just leave it on workout, and we're just going to hit continue. So the next screen is depth. The depth app can automatically open underwater and measure temperature, time, and depth. So you can click open when submerged or don't open automatically. Let's just click open. Next screen, dive safety. So it's telling you about diving. Next screen is welcome to Apple Watch. And it just gives you a few options here. We're going to hit OK. And now we're in our settings for the Apple Watch. Now that we've gone through all the screens on the phone, our Apple Watch has turned on and it's saying hello and start. So we'll hit start. It's going to learn how to navigate the Apple Watch. So it's showing you how to use the buttons. Press the digital crown to see your apps. So we're just going to press it. And that pops up all our apps. Press the digital crown to return to the face. Press the side button to open Control Center. So that's going to be the lower button down here. And this is your Control Center. Press the side button to close it. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. So we're going to turn this. It's just going to go through different things. And then now it says, welcome to Apple Watch. So now that the watch is turned on, my phone has recognized it. It's saying device added to your account. And Apple Watch has access to your iMessages, FaceTime. If you don't recognize this device, you can remove it in the settings. We do recognize it. It is our watch, so we're going to hit OK. So from here, I want to show you how to get into your watch faces because now you got all these options for watch faces. To quickly do it, you can just pull down on your face of your phone. I just use it so it's up here, but if you need a search for it, there's a search bar right here. Just type in watch and it'll pop up. So now this will be the main screen of the watch app. And then down here in the very center, it says face gallery. We're going to click that. And now we have all these options for watch faces. And then every watch face you can change to. Right, so let's just check the module one, and then you can change different colors, all the different complications going into it. You have all these options, so you can change anything right here and how you want it set up on your watch face. So get into that, build it how you want it, and then have the perfect watch face for you. I just wanted to show you a Series 9 next to an Ultra Watch 2. As you see, this is a 49 millimeters, so it is bigger. This is a 45, so if you see it side by side, but I think what makes it really look bigger is how the side bulges out. but you get almost all the same features except the complications that go on the outside. That doesn't do that on the Series 9. So if we take a look at the sides, they both have the crowns and they both have the buttons down below. So very similar on that side. So on the UltraWatch 2, you see there's an action button here, and on the Series 9, they don't have the action button. So that's more of a distinctive feature that you see. So if you flip the watches over, the Series 9 and the UltraWatch 2, they have the same exact sensors. So at the time of filming, this is January 2024, this has the blood oxygen feature and the UltraWatch 2 does not. So part of that lawsuit they're going through, they pulled it from the newer watches. So I wanted to show you what it looks like to know if you have it or not. The app is still going to be there. So on that Series 9, we do have it. And then on the UltraWatch, the app is still there, but it says blood oxygen app is no longer available. Learn more in the health app on your iPhone. And then you can see on the Series 9 that it's ready to go to use. So you didn't lose it if you have a little bit older Series 9 or UltraWatch. Let us know in the comments, what Apple Watch do you have? UltraWatch or a Series 9? Or maybe an older one. Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.